There's a moment after overwhelm when things begin to feel a little clearer. Nothing is wrong anymore, but a question shows up. Now what? There's nothing about this that needs fixing. It's about noticing. Noticing what becomes available when your system is steady enough to feel and to choose. From here, something new begins, not just regulating, but integrating and then creating. We'll start by gathering a little energy into our hands and then bring it onto the page. This is just a small signal for your body that you have arrived and are present. Now let's start with some Asemic writing. They're marks that don't need to form any words, just movements that flow across the page. They let your hand express things that don't need explanation. There's no meaning, there's just rhythm and flow. And then we stop and notice what's there. Adding water begins to soften the lines, allowing them to merge and shift. The feeling of the page changes with the addition of water. The edges become less sharp, and the image starts to take on a new form. From here, shapes can begin to connect, bringing a little more definition. Less active areas can be gently contained, and just by softening and connecting, we acknowledge that something is there. So follow your noticing. If something begins to stand out, it's likely asking for a bit more presence. Give yourself the freedom to choose. Make things stronger, make lines wider, connect segments together. Nothing is off limits. For me, these choices are incredibly freeing. Notice the shapes that begin to emerge as you join things together. I want you to observe open spaces. Outline or highlight them if they feel important. You can add a few new lines, soften new intersections as they appear, or extend lines outward to the edges of the page, connecting to something outside of you. Your family, your friends, community, or resources. All of these things create openings. You can also give areas more support by giving the line a little more weight. All of these things are the essence of integration. Integration is not forcing, it's not fixing, but it's noticing. Noticing what wants to stay, what wants to shift, or what can gently fade away. There's no pressure here. It's just choice. And you have the freedom to change your mind or your direction at any time. So a large open space might call for attention, like this one has. I've chosen to fill it with repeating neurographic style lines. Pay attention to the colors you're choosing. How do they feel? Are they grounding? Do they feel supportive? Or are they steady? Ask yourself, does that pattern or color want to be in another area of your drawing? This mark making creates rhythm and continuity. Making lines stronger, like here at the base, can offer support. It's almost like closing a loop. As more fluid lines begin to connect the image, different areas begin to move together. Circles may appear. They're small points of focus, and the drawing begins to feel more alive, more connected. Color can be added selectively. With it brings light to certain areas and allows it to recede in others. Not everything needs equal attention. This whole process becomes a process of choosing. We choose what to carry forward and what we want to release. I return to my focal point, allowing it to become more defined. For me, this image is very clear. There's a true sense of clarity here. It's like looking through a lens. And I have the awareness that visually this represents my next step. It's my what's next. And then there's a point where that what's next question begins to take form. And sometimes that shift in perspective changes everything. And what no longer fits can simply be released. And as I take a moment here to put in some final details, notice what feels different now. What feels different for you? What feels more available than when you started? This is often the space where things can begin again, just a little differently. And if there are still moments where things feel like too much, I've created that simple set of art prompts to help support you. I've dropped the link below. They're there for you anytime. And of course, you're always welcome to return here. Thank you for spending time and drawing with me today. I hope you have enjoyed this process. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments. I read every one. Be well, keep creating, and I will see you again soon.